Number 4. Tumira, butigit. Nakuha ni Lalit. Number 1, first personal foul, first team foul. Line. Rebound by number 10, pass to number 6. Wala. Line. Number 9. Number 10, pass to numbers. First off. Second throw. Nilakasan na lang sir. Number 1. Pass to number 7, Lai. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 6, wala. Rebound by number 5. At dahan-dahan nagmamadaling. Ang isa. Kaya na naman po si Sir. Perimeter shot. Wala. Rebound by number 7, Lai. Number 6, pass to number 11. Wala. Rebound ulit na number 11. Nakuha ni number 8. Dahan-dahan nagmamadali. Pinasa ka number 4. At hirapan si Sir. 10 seconds to shoot. Grabe naman yung mga person, sir. Number 8. Tumira. Pass to number 6. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by number 8. Pinasa kay number 9. At pinasa kay number 4. Wala. Lai tumira ng 3. Sir Vergara nagkadalang bola. Pass to Lai. Pass to number 1. Nakakuha ng pass. Lai tumira ulit ng 3. Wala muna. Break. Umangat sa ere. Number 6, open door. Number 7, pass to number 5. Umatake, ni-reverse yung reverse. Lai, pinatake yung gitna. Number 8, nakakuha ng ulit, pass break. Pasok. Number 3, wala. Rebound by Lai. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Wala. Rebound by number 5. 50 seconds. 15 to shoot. tackle, sir. Bilang po tayo. 5